Suppose linear equations in two variables. Suppose we got two linear equations, a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, and second equation a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Now these two equations are there. Now they will give you solution. If possible, they will give you solution, and they will give you a unique solution. They can give you no solution, or they can give you infinitely many solutions. Three different cases. To do this, we use to plot them on graph paper, and from there we used to decide that these two pair of linear equations are going to give you which type of solution. Are they going to give you a solution or not? So here I am telling you a design method which tells you that these two pair of linear equations will give you which type of solution without drawing their graphs. Let's see here. To do that, first thing is you have to find out the equirelation a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2, and c1 upon c2. These three relations you have to find. Divide them. If the numerator can be cancelled by the denominator. Now, case 1. If a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2 and is not equal to c1 upon c2, then the given pair of linear equations will give you unique solution. Unique solution. Unique solution means solution is possible. Only one solution you will get. Case 2. a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2 but is equal to c1 upon c2. Or you can say a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 but is not equal to c1 upon c2. This. So that is going to give you no solution. No solution. And case 3rd, if a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2, then you will get infinite number of solutions. Case 1, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. That's called unique solution. In this case, you will get a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. You will get no solution. And case 3, a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. You will get infinite number of solutions. In case 1 and case 3, you are getting solution. So they are called as, together they are called as consistent. Consistence. They are called as consistent. The solution is consistent. This case number 2 is called as non-consistent or inconsistent. Because solution is not possible. So here case 1 and 3 together, that is called as consistent. Case 2 it is called as inconsistent or no solution is possible. Question here, see. Two equations are given, 2x minus 3y is equal to 7, k plus 1 into x, and 1 minus 2k into y is equal to 5k minus 4. It is going to give you infinitely many solutions and you have to find out the value of k. The condition for infinite number of solution is the third one, that is a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. Here the a1 is 2, b1 is k plus 1, a2 is k plus 1, a1 is 2, a2 is k plus 1. That is equal to minus 3 upon b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. Now you take this relation and cross multiply, so you get here only this much, these two. So you get here 2 into 1 minus 2k is equal to minus 3 into k plus 1. Open this. Minus 3k minus 3. So as a result you get 4k, 3k transpose that side, you get minus k, 2 transpose that side, you get minus 5. K is equal to 5. In order to check, if you put k is equal to 5 in this relation, you get what? 5 upon 2 upon 5 plus 1 is equal to minus 3 upon 1 minus 2 into 5, that is 10, is equal to 7 upon 5 into 5 minus 4. So as a result you get here 2 upon 6 is equal to minus 1 up minus 3 upon minus 9 is equal to 7 upon 25 minus 4, 21. 7 and 7, 7 3 is 21. Minus 3, 3 1 is 3, 3 3 is 9, 2 1 is 2, 2 3 is 6. That is 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3. Hence answer is k is equal to